Previously on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Beautiful babes, I shared a simple DIY 2% milk face mask that may help mature skin look softer, smoother, brighter, and more hydrated naturally using 2% milk, rice flour, and aloe vera gel. This easy at-home mask may help gently exfoliate dull skin, soothe dryness, and support a healthy glow for skin over 50, 60, or whatever. Try it. I showed you how to mix it, apply it, and how long to leave it on, and how often to use it for mature skin. If you haven't checked out that video, hey, roll it back after you finish today's amazing video, beautiful babes.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl,
Beautiful babes, if your mature skin has been feeling dry, irritated, tight, sensitive, or just plain tired lately, tonight's DIY may be exactly what your skin needs. After 50, especially after menopause, our skin barrier can become weaker, thinner, and even more dehydrated. And that alone can leave the skin looking dull, flaky, crepey, or irritated. So tonight, I'm doing a soothing barrier repair mask. And it's designed to help calm, hydrate, and comfort mature skin while giving us that soft, healthy glow we love. Hey, beautiful babes, I'm so glad you're here. If you love mature skincare, self-care, beauty routines, DIYs, and glowing gracefully, over 50, over 60, heck, you are in the right place. Tonight is all about repairing and restoring. We are repairing and restoring the skin barrier because mature skin needs recovery days too. So let's get right into it. So first, I'm starting with a gentle cleanser because we do not want to strip the skin. I'm using lukewarm water only because hot water can make mature skin feel even drier and more sensitive. Barrier repair nights are all about calming the skin down and helping it to hold on to moisture. The face is clean. Now let me show you how to whip up this DIY barrier repair face mask. Here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt may help gently soften rough texture. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant which may help attract moisture into the skin. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera may help soothe dry, irritated, or stressed skin. And just a few drops of rosehip oil. And rosehip oil may help support mature skin with added nourishment and glow. Now, you've gotten that all mixed up. It's time to apply the mask. I'm applying a nice even layer all over my face, focusing on areas that tend to feel dry and tight. Oh, this feels so cooling. and comforting on the skin. Beautiful babes, mature skin does not always need strong treatments. Sometimes our skin simply needs hydration, rest, nourishment, and consistency. Now I'm going to leave this mask on for about 15 minutes. While this sits, let me remind you, over-exfoliating can damage the skin barrier, especially for mature skin. That's why recovery nights like this are so important. Oh, my skin already feels softer, smoother, and more refreshed. And I love that healthy, hydrated glow this gives my skin. And it's now time for my nighttime barrier repair routine. Now I'm going in with a soothing peptide serum. Peptides may help support mature-looking skin and help improve the appearance of firmness over time. Then next, I'm sealing everything in with a thick moisturizer because mature skin needs moisture protection overnight. All right, beautiful babes. Barrier repair nights are some of the best, I say best, things we can do for mature skin. Hydrated skin often looks smoother, healthier, plumper, and more radiant. Listen, you already know. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the Beautiful Babe Brigade. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.